Welcome. If you want more easy dialogues like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks you. Hello. Excuse me. Can you help me? I am new here and I need to find some food items. I am looking for bread, fruits, and water.
Hello. Of course I can help. The supermarket is big, but everything is easy to find. Follow me. I will show you the bread section first.
Thank you. I need simple white bread. I want something fresh for breakfast. Do you have many choices?
Yes, we have many kinds of bread. Here you can find white bread, brown bread, and soft rolls. This one here is fresh from today.
Great, I will take this one. It smells very fresh. Now I also need some fruits.
No problem. The fruit section is right there. We have apples, bananas, orange, and more.
Perfect. I want apples and bananas. The apples look very red and clean. I will take a few of them.
Good choice. You can weigh the fruits here on this machine. It will print a small price label.
Okay, I see. I put the apples on the machine now. Yes, the label prints automatically.
Exactly. Now stick the label on the plastic bag. Do you also want banana?
Yes, I will take 3 bananas. They look yellow and perfect. I love bananas for a quick snack.
Great. Now, what else do you need? You said water, right?
Yes, I need bottles of water. Still water, not sparkling. Where can I find it?
The water is in the next aisle. We have small bottles and big bottles. Many people choose this brand here.
Okay, I will take a big bottle. It is cheaper and lasts longer. Now I think I have everything.
Perfect. You can go to the checkout to pay. There are self-checkout machines too, if you prefer.
I will use the self-checkout. I want to try it. Is it easy?
Yes, it is very easy. Just scan your items, press Pay, and choose Card or Cash. If you need help, I am right here.
Thank you very much for your help today. I found everything I needed. Have a nice day.